Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. After many product delays, the Love From Lizi October 2021 Super Kit is finally here. The theme is Enchanted Woods, and as I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and all of the add-ons are available. I will have links provided in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons. Since this is a super kit, there's extra items. There are 7 sheets of cardstock this month. They are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have a sky blue, maroon, white, orange, green, brown, and a dark blue. There's a 24 sheet 6 by 6 paper pad. These are all single-sided designs, and there are 24 different designs. There's no duplicates. This is available as an add-on, so if you love the paper, you can purchase an extra paper pack. So lots of fun, beautiful designs. I love the autumn colors. There's leaves, there's some chevron. Some of the patterns on there look like glitter, but it's not glitter. This is all smooth cardstock. There's lots of beautiful little fairies. I'm really loving that autumn feel. Here's some with bears. There's some deers and a little snail. Lots of mushrooms. I love that pattern on all those mushrooms. A few stripes and lots more leaves. I love making autumn cards, so I'm so excited to start using this kit. The stamp set this month is a large set. This is 6 by 8 inches in size. It has the little fairy image, lots of little stars, and some fun sentiments. The kit also includes a set of coordinating dies. So you have the die for the fairy and also a coordinating die for each of the 4 sentiments. I love having the coordinating die for the sentiment, so I don't have to fussy cut it out. The peel-offs this month are a new color. This is ocean blue and it has a gold foil edging. Super shiny, as you can see my lights are picking up all of that gold. Here's the sample size bag of sequins. As always, you can purchase a full size as an add-on. There are 5 different colors of ribbon. You'll receive 1 meter of each. And we'll also get the coordinating glitter enamel dots. And these are super sparkly. And we get some extra bling this month, so we get a full sheet of gem stickers. And there's 3 different sizes of the gem stickers and also the glitter enamel dots. The next item is this fun package of wooden mushrooms. And they have an embossed print on one side and it's plain on the other. There's 4 different shapes in 3 sizes and you'll get a total of 16. The next item is a roll-up washi tape in this fun striped design. And some of those stripes have that same glitter pattern, but again, it's smooth. There's no glitter on the washi tape. The final item included in the kit is the coordinating ephemera, and these are so fun. So I will lay them out so you can see all of the different pieces that are included. Some of the ephemera pieces are on the larger size this time, but they'll still all fit on an American standard A2 size card. So you can see we have teapots, lots of different fairies, different skin colors, different hair colors. There's a sweet little fox. I love the snail. There's florals, really nice variety. And you can also purchase the ephemera as an add-on if you want to have extra. There are 3 add-on stamp sets available. The first set is called Enchanted Teapot. All 3 of the stamp sets also include coordinating dies. The second set is Snail Mail. So it has the snail, another fairy, and that sweet little deer, and they all have really fun sentiments. The final set, this one's my favorite, it's called Love You So Mush. There are several different mushroom stamps in a variety of sizes and some really fun sentiments to go along with the mushrooms. I don't really color images, but I think the mushroom stamps will be easy to paper piece. Next are the 2 peel-off bundle packs. The set on the left is the variety peel-off pack. We have gold mirror in the straight, gold glitter in the sway. There's a gold clear mirror in the pinstripe. And then the final is gold moon dust in the straight. So lots of gold and they're super shiny. The set on the right, this is all the pinstripe style. First color is a new one. This is a brown mirror and it has that gold foil on the edge. There's gold mirror, copper mirror, and also apricot. So great colors that'll coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper in the kit. And the final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. I love Lizi's pearlescent cardstock. It's so pretty. This month there are 6 sheets included, and these are single-sided, so it's a solid white on the back side. These are beautiful autumn colors, and I think they'll add just the right amount of shine to the cards. Here's another look at Love From Lizi's October 2021 Super Kit. The theme is Enchanted Woods. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and all of the add-ons are still available, but as always, these are in limited quantity, so if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. I do have links provided in the description box for all of the products I showed in this video. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.